Craig, we did have another question. The question is, how do we establish business credit for a small business without using your own personal line of credit?
That is a fantastic question. And I would share with you that you really want to work with your banker to get your business credit off the floor. Your banker should be able to introduce you to resources locally that are typically free of charge to enable businesses to get off the ground. A lot of these like institutions would probably identify themselves as business startup services, and they are typically located, believe it or not, at community colleges. Lehman College in the Bronx. I know for Westchester specifically, we do have resources at PACE where they are free of charge, enabling you to say, let's put together what is projections, let's put together what is a business plan, and let's work on establishing your business credit. There is an entirely different presentation that we present around business credit and how to establish that. There is an entirely different reporting agency that reports business credit, and the scores are actually calculated a little differently as well. I encourage you all, especially if you are looking to build business credit, connect with your banker. Again, I know I mentioned, capturing Ms. Trena's and my information at the beginning of the presentation. I'll make sure to share that again at the end of the presentation, because resources like Trena that are in our communities are really invaluable, I think, to getting businesses off the ground and up and running. If I could mention an additional resource there, the small business development centers that we have resources to, or that we have personnel working at that are free, again, free resources to the communities that they serve. Those SBDCs, you can actually just Google the nearest SBDC to you. And again, these are resources that are extended to the communities that we serve. They receive government funding to make sure that businesses, small businesses in our communities get up and running. Connect with one nearest to you if you don't have an opportunity to connect with a banker like Ms. Trena or myself.
Craig, I don't know if you wanted to get into it, but I know it is a very important, question, establishing business credit. But oftentimes I feel like it all depends on what you're doing, because if you're a guarantor on a loan, it does require you to kind of do an inquiry on your personal credit as well, because you're guaranteeing the loan. So there is more to it, but as Craig mentioned, you definitely want to partner with your banker to, so the banker you guys can work out a plan, because it all comes down to what your ultimate goal is and what you're looking to do.
Yeah, that's a great sentiment to share, Ms. Trena. When you are a business owner and you're applying for credit for a business, a bank may want to see that you have some skin in the game. And what does that mean? That really means backing your business plan, particularly if you are a guarantor on it. If you don't trust in your business plan, a bank or a financial institution may feel, why should we? So yes, different scenarios may call on you to be a guarantor on your business loans and lines of credit request. Again, I encourage you all to attend our business credit presentation. We actually go into a little bit about how Dun and Bradstreet report business credit scores. That's actually their credit reporting agency. So for consumers, it's Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. For businesses, the most commonly used is Dun and Bradstreet, or D&B, some people may refer to it as.